Early certification courses would set the stage for a new paradigm in training for armed citizen defenders. With very few options for instructors who desired a different approach to training, the IDS Apex program would facilitate a new path forward, providing a safe haven for the best instructors and armed citizen defenders in the world.
That's the point.
Minnesota Martial Arts Academy.
We want them to get good at failing publicly and all of the benefits that come with that.
And these men would take the lead in redefining the meaning of what it means to be a citizen defender and dare to take on the most elite self-defense black belt test in the world.
Oh yeah, this is a good test. This is a real test.
The IDS Apex Octagon Challenge, I handpicked some of my training partners that are more than a handful. They're going to be going up against Olympic hopefuls, world champions, MMA professionals, and the like. Our guys will be carrying a gun.
Mark my words, it's harder to do this when you have a gun on than when you don't.
Fight IQ, being able to adapt to whatever's happening. All of the disciplines are interdependent upon one another. Think of the top 5 firearms instructors on planet Earth. How many of them would have gotten through the first 30 minutes of day 1 of this test with any level of skill? How many? I'm teaching you how to fight. 9-4. Integrative defense strategy. Fight IQ, the new paradigm in training for armed guardians. We're not teaching you how to be a gunfighter. We're teaching you to be a fighter with a gun.